Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 10X Lite, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. To get started, let's open up Settings, and from here you want to navigate to Storage. Select your memory card right here, and select Format. Now this will give you a message right here that formatting will remove all the data from the card. If there's anything that you'd like to keep on that card, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you just don't want to do that, or you have already done it, and all you need to do now is select Erase and Format, and this will begin the process. Now, this only takes a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's finished now, so click on OK and you're done. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.